Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to enable vertical tabs on Google Chrome. So starting with version 47, Google is actually introducing vertical tabs, something that other browsers, even Chromium-based browsers, had for a long time. The only caveat is that the company is gradually rolling this out, so even if you update to version 47 or a higher release, you might not see vertical tabs right away. So if you were using another browser to use vertical tabs instead of Chrome, or if you are already a Google Chrome user and you want to use vertical tabs, this is how you enable it. So what you need to do is just to open the settings for Chrome, then go to the About page and make sure that you have version 47 or a higher release. From there, we're going to open a new tab and then we're going to go to the Chrome flags page. Here, that's where you can enable experimental features, and then we're going to look for vertical tabs, and this is actually the link to that particular setting. And from here, we're going to choose the enable option, and then we just need to click the relaunch button. Once we do that, we just right click on the window and we're going to see this new show tabs vertically option. And as you can see, now we have vertical tabs in Google Chrome. Now we can collapse the side panel and then you can just open new tabs as you need. You can look for open tabs and you can create groups. Now, if you want to switch back to the horizontal layout, we just need to right click on the top and then we just need to select the show tabs horizontally. And that's it. That is how you force enable vertical tabs in Google Chrome. Let me know what you think about this feature, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you and I would like to thank you for viewing.